mga makisig, ongoing po ngayon ang Laguna Radio Group Global Net Call via Zelo. Ito, gamit natin TXQ MX2. So, join tayo. Ang net control nga pala, si Idol Khaled. Ongoing, LRG 004 si Idol Khaled.
Go ahead, Kalats. LRG 022, welcome to our net.
Yan, join tayo. So, ang LRG series natin is LRG 001.
LRG 022 with Angelo Archie.
Ay, Idol Archie.
From Casilas, Zambales. Just joining, supporting the net of Laguna Radio Group. Now for the truck, 73.
After rin
Mabuhay.
ni Idol Archie.
Back to you, Roger Moore.
Join na tayo.
Go ahead, Tito Archie. Nag-transmit ka ba? Go ahead, welcome to our net. Good evening, Tito Khaled. This is LRG 022 with Angelo Archie from Casilas, Zambales. Joining and supporting the evening net of Laguna Radio Group. Now for the traffic 73, mabuhay.
O nga pala mga makisig, sa mga hindi pa po member o gusto at willing na maging member ng Laguna Radio Group, pwede po kayo mag-join mga makisig.
LRG 022, Tito Archie, transmitting from Castillejo, Zambales. Thank you so much and acknowledge your station, Tito Archie, for joining our net call. God bless and mabuhay.
Join tayo mga makisig. Yan. Open tayo sa mga gusto maging member.
Again, for any station wants to join our net call, this is LRG 004 for Laguna Radio Group is standing by.
LRG 001 for the net. Join tayo.
Yun, Idol, all LRG 001, welcome to our net.
Yon, good evening, Idol Tol, Idol Khaled, LRG 004. This is LRG 001 with the handle of Makisig. Together with my Mrs. LRG 002, si Marikit, from San Pablo, Laguna. No further traffic, just supporting our evening net call, Laguna Radio Group. Yan. Mabuhay ka, Idol Khaled, ang team leader po ng Laguna Radio Group, NCS. Mabuhay, Idol Khaled, mabuhay po ang Laguna Radio Group. Maraming salamat. Yon, mga makisig, nakapagay tayo.
Mabuhay ang Laguna Radio Group. That was the stations of Tito Makisig, LRG 001, together with Tita Marikit, LRG 002. Ating admin and founder ng Laguna Radio Group. Transmitting from San Pablo City. Thank you so much.